Idons trop sourd et Marcella sourd. Est nur mir car trop blij. Die grand docht stan kapokel kui sun. Prohibition, she has taken me by force and kept me locked up and surrounded as the lion wants the forest, with everyone in it so timorous as not to dare emerge from the top and summit. And faithless love weighed so much on me and so much crushed me that it made me take to the sea for a long while. Quite true that she drove me into the wind, and I wasn't but a fool in adoring her, since there is no compensation for what is merely lent. She concealed so much the falseness of her discourse that she made an ashtray of an osier, and with her chiseled words she pacified me and appeased me, and showed me how to free myself from her. I am free, but she has bound me so, with the same guile with which she has released me. Since I am such as to stop only where faithfulness is unrewarded, for there is no wisdom as perfect than when one sees deceitful and covetous people. And I don't part from her, but go straight, whoever may stray. I don't stray one hairbreadth, but she punishes me for this. I sharpen and grind that I thought I had gained a great joy, but it turns to sorrow on me, for I found in her the faithfulness of a Cain, who deprecates all merit, so that I am left like a tree without its bark. Since we saw each other, and I am the one who does not decry you, but I don't care for love that cuts itself free and goes awry.